Something biologically tells you that you're not supposed to do freestyle motocross after 30. You can. I'm not quitting or nothing. I was on a bike at 4 years old, and it's pretty much the only thing that I do that feels natural. Pretty much feel like I was born to do this.
First time broke out a bonnet over my shoelaces. First time broke out a bonnet over my shoelaces. Over my shoelaces, yeah, over my shoelaces. Got to get a new pair of shoes to kick it with her, not kick it with you. Got to get a new pair of shoes to kick it with her, not kick it with you. Second time broke out a bonnet, tripped over my shoelaces. Second time broke out a bonnet, tripped over my shoelaces. Second time broke out a bonnet, tripped over my shoelaces. In 100-meter races, yeah, 100-meter race. Got to get a new pair of shoes to kick it with her, not kick it with you. Got to get a new pair of shoes to kick it with her, not kick it with you. What she gonna do like you? What she gonna do like you? What she gonna do like you? What she gonna
I don't know why I'm out here. Just so happens I like to ride dirt bikes. And I got a track here, and I got a fleet of KTMs in the garage, so we might as well go ride them. Everything about it, dude. The best sport in the world. In the solar system, even.